Hello guys, welcome to Email Hostel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about this website. So you need to watch this video to the very end to understand everything. I'm going to be explaining the website, how it works, benefits, and everything, just everything you need to know about this website. So you need to watch this video to the very end to understand everything. So if I just come right, you can see this is just it's a new fresh account. You can see this thing right here. You are seeing the welcome bonus right here. So if I come right here, you can see. So but first of all, let me just explain how this website works. Now as you can see right here, now what is Uskills? So as you can see right here, Uskills aim to facilitate the development and enhancement of various skills among its users. By offering activities that require specific ability or knowledge, it can encourage individuals to acquire new skills, improve existing ones, and gain valuable experience. Uskills also provide an online market space for products and services, reaching out to thousands of audience who are potential consumers. So right here you have understand what Uskills. So now let me show you how it works. If I just click right here and click how it works right here, you can see right here that if I can see right here that Uskills right here is like is you can earn in 4 ways: ABCD. So right, if I just come right here, you can see that on Uskills we aim to provide all users with the present day skills accurately spelled out on the above image. So right here you can see the athlete structure on Uskills. On Uskills we solely deal with 4 solid structures. So right here you can see the athlete structure, the turnover, MLM structure, the ebook structure, the skill and acquisition structure. So all these structures are subscribed for with the one-time registration fee. So right here you can see now you can see right here that on Uskills we have one registration fee of $9. $9, and right here you can see that the referral bonus right here is $7.2, and first level spinover right here is $0.4, and second level spinover right here is $0.2. Daily TikTok earning right here is $4 if chosen. Daily Instagram earning is $8 if chosen. Transfer of earnings at minimum of $10. Skill set everyone. You can see right here, you can see that, and their conversion rate right here is if you're someone in Nigeria, is 500 naira for $1. So right here I'm going to break down on how it works, because I know that some people will be confused on this earning structure right here. So right, you can see that $9 right here is equivalent to 4,500 naira in Nigerian currency right here, and the referral and the welcome bonus right here $6 is equal to 3,000 naira, and you post you earn $1 every day for a performance task, which is 500 naira, $1. Affiliate bonus is $7.2, which is 3,600. And when you refer someone, and when you're down, like people that you refer, when they refer, you will earn $0.4, which is 200 naira. And the second level spillover idea is $0.2, which is 100 naira. And TikTok earning right here is 2,000 naira, which is $4. Ebook earning is okay, is 20, but I'm going to explain that later. And this one right here, minimum withdrawal is $14 for athletes. For non-athletes, $40. So that $40 will be like 20,000, and this $14 is 7,000. So Now you have understand how it works. So I'm going to show you how you can earn on Uskills. So stick with me on this video. So if I just come down right here, you can see you can publish ebooks and earn. So you can see right here, Uskills has made it possible for authors to be able to post their works and get people that will promote it for them. So if you you can promote your ebook, you can promote ebook on the website, and you can see right here. Now the good news is that they don't just get it published. Users can choose to promote a particular ebook, and the author keep earning 20% forever for every new user that purchases it. So you can see, and the promoters, the people that is promoting the ebooks, earns 60% for referring people. So as a member, you can promote ebooks. So you can get people to buy ebooks, and you get 60% for referring them. So, and why the author keep getting 20% for each and every new purchase of their books. So you will get 60% as a member that is promoting the ebooks, and the author get 20%. So right here, so you can see it right here. So, and you can see it right here. So the use here, we know how well and how costly it might be for average individuals to acquire skills. So this means that on Uskills, you can acquire skills, you can learn many things on Uskills. So I'm going to explain that later. So you need to watch this video to the very end. So let me just log into my account and show you how you can earn on Uskills. Now before I show you how you will earn, first of all, let me just show you this. Right here on Uskills, you can see note skill acquisition costs $40, and this will be the deduction from your upwards earnings. So right here, you can learn web development. You will learn web development on Uskills. You can just use your earning. You can learn web development, or you can just use your earnings. So once your money just is like $40, you can just use it and learn web development. You can learn mobile app. You get to learn how to design mobile app, both Android and iOS. So you can learn copywriting, learn from basic and advanced level of copywriting. You can learn graphic designing. You will learn how to design like a pro. IG and Facebook ads. You will learn all about social media marketing with just $40. Mini importation. You will learn how to do mini importation from an expert. You will learn for you will learn forex. You will learn how to trade without stress on forex trading with just $40. You will learn how to design websites front end with just $40. You will learn how to monetize your YouTube channel. You will learn how to freelance on freelancing platform like Fiverr and Upwork Media. So all these are benefits that you learn on as a member of Uskills. So you learn all this with just $40, and you become an expert. So right here, you can see that my balance right now is $6. So let me show you how you can earn from this platform. Now for you to earn, all you need to do is just to click on these three dots. Once you click on this three dots, you click on this U post. So now that I click on the U post, you can see the post of today. So they post daily. and you come right here, you earn $1 every day by just performing tasks like liking videos, commenting, or some other simple social tasks like that. So right here you can see, just come right here, just read the post, and come right here and read their instruction. Right, you can see to earn on you post, click the button below. So you can see the button right here, follow and comment, then come back and click to earn. So right here I'm going to click on this, click to view post on YouTube. So once I click it right here, you can see it right here. So what they want me to do right here is to like. Once I like, I'll comment. So I'm just going to comment right here. So comment right here, and then I then go back right here. So I've commented right here. Just come right here and click on this, click to earn. So you can see that I've earned from this place. So let me just go back to my dashboard right here. Now right, you can see that the money have been added to my dashboard right here. You can see before I have this thing right here, just $6, but you can see that it have been added to $7.40 right here. So this is how you can be doing it every day, and you keep on earning. So right here, example of, I talked about ebooks. So if I just come right here, you can see ebooks right here. So this ebook right here worth $10. So if you promote this ebook right here, you earn 60% for selling this ebook right here. So you can see, so for you to sell this ebook right, all you need to do is just to copy this link right here. Copy this link right here. Once you copy this link right here, you can see share with your friends and end with the link below. So this link right here is personally your own referral link for this ebook right here. So you can see right here, just copy the link right here and promote. Anybody that buy this ebook right here from you right here with your link, your money will be added to this ebook sales right here. Okay, sorry, your money will be added to your affiliate. Your money will be added to your earning balance right here. Your money will be added to your earning balance, or I'm not really sure, but it will be added here or here, but it's the same affiliate, because both referring and selling ebooks are affiliate. So it can either added here or added there. So anywhere it's added, you can just withdraw it as an affiliate. So that's how it works. So the link will be down there in the description. So just click on that link and message me on WhatsApp for registration. So for you to register on this website, all you need to do is just to click on that first link in the description. Just message me, because for you to register you need a coupon code. You need a coupon code that will allow you to get access to the account. Without the coupon code, you will not be able to register. So for you to get that coupon code, that is the one-time payment. You make a payment of 4,500 naira to a vendor, then you get the coupon code. So that's as simple as that. So all you need to do is just click on the first link. It will redirect you to my WhatsApp account. So I advise you to register on this website. Even if other websites, other platforms have failed you, you need to give this one a try and you will see the results. So just click on that link and get registered and start earning immediately. If you are clicking the link, make sure it's only for registration. So if you don't understand the video, just watch it again for you to understand how it works. So if this is your first time on my channel, all you need to do for me is just to subscribe and turn on notification. What I do that creators are, like, if I find out something working for me, I record video right here by showing you what I'm doing, so that I can do the same thing and get exact same results. So do me a favor by subscribing and by turning on notification. Thank you for watching. I love you guys.